What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be taking off the headlights that we have on the Mitsubishi Lancer show build. If you guys have been watching my videos up to date, you would know we had these VLAN headlights for quite a while on the Mitsubishi Lancer show build. Now we're going to be taking it off and they'll be going on the Rallinspired. We also do have some new custom HD Motion headlights will be making its way on the show build. But the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to remove your headlights. So whether you have the OEM headlights, same process. We'll be doing on this car, and then we'll also be doing on this car. But same exact process for any Mitsubishi Lancer, Rallinspired, Evo, same thing. So let's get to doing that, and then we'll have a whole separate video showing you guys the installation of the headlights. Okay, so first thing first, you do have to remove the front bumper. I know some cars you don't have to remove the front bumper, but for the Mitsubishi Lancers, the 10th gen, you do have like a little bracket with some bolts to remove right here, which is underneath the bumper. So yeah, quite a pain, but you want to go ahead and remove these pieces first. Remove your bumper, some side bolts holding it into place underneath. Bumper comes off, and then we'll be able to replace the headlights. So here are the new headlights. I already received them a few months back. I just never had the chance to install them. These should be an easy plug and play as well. Pretty excited to get these on. I love the VLANs, don't get me wrong, but they have been on the car for a couple years, so pretty excited to switch it out to a new setup. And here are the headlights. We do have a protective film, which I'm going to leave on right now. Super cool. I love them. Can't wait to see them on. I also paid a little extra for the RGB mode, which is the show mode. So pretty excited to see how that works. Even came with a little instruction manual. Like I said, some wires. What's really cool about these is you have your light bulbs, whether the low beam and high beam inbuilt into the headlights. Versus with the old VLANs, you know, you can swap them out. So a little bit different. This is pretty much brand new. Just came out a few months ago. Some wiring, I'm guessing, for the custom headlights. This should plug and play right into the OEM harnesses, so pretty excited. Okay, so if you look at the wiring here, these, like I said, for the custom headlights, there's two of them on each side. Plugs in. You do have to plug this into your fuse box, and then have this pretty much wired up to the positive of your battery terminal. Alright, so 1, 2, and 3. You're going to go ahead and line it up. Make sure everything's nice. Like I said, I haven't ripped off this plastic just to protect it. I'm going to go ahead and tighten all the bolts down, plug it in, make sure they work. Very nice. Everything all tightened down. Right now, this guy right here, we're going to go ahead and clip it to the OEM harness. Alright, so besides that OEM harness, you also have these two guys just hanging out with the aftermarket headlights. So they provided wiring. I'm going to clip this to it. And then if you look over here, we also have this guy that needs to go to the fuse box. This one goes to the driver's headlight, and then this one that goes to the battery. Alright, so both clipped up. I have them tucked away underneath right here by the radiator. Feed it through all the way here. Right now, let's go ahead and do the same thing for the driver's headlight. Go ahead and feed it up here, bolt it up. And we're going to go ahead and connect the two wires and set it up. Make sure it works before we put the front bumper back on. Okay, and for the driver's side, I would recommend to plug in these wiring harnesses first because you might not have space here. So I'm going to do, connect these guys to these guys, connect this guy to the OEM wiring harness right there. Alright, and we have everything all connected. We have these guys connected as well as the OEM wiring harness all connected. 1, 2, 3, all good to go. Alright, and now that you have both headlights in, 2 more steps and we should be all set. So we do have to put this on the fuse box, so just remove your fuse box cover. This guy right here is going to go right here. So this little spot, go like that. Alright, so we have everything wired up. We have the little fuse plugged into the fuse box. We also had that wire all the way wired up to the positive terminal of my battery. So, moment of truth before I slap on the bumper. I want to make sure the headlights work. And then once the bumper is on, we'll take off that plastic film as well. But let's just switch it on, make sure it works. This is dope. What do you guys think? That's really nice. Love it. Man, I'm pretty excited. Can't lie. And let's turn on the headlights. We want to make sure headlights and everything work as well. Low beam as well as high beam. So first we're gonna do low beam. So first one is just gonna be like a daytime running light. Kind of blue color. I think I can change it, I believe. And then let's switch on the headlight now. So headlights are on. Bear in mind it's during the daytime. So, ooh, looks nice. Nice and crisp, bright. I think this is with the high beams on. Let me just switch it just to low beam. And this is with the high beam on. So very nice. Very nice light output. Pretty excited to see how it looks at night. Alright, but the fun is not over. We do have to put the front bumper back on. So let's go ahead and slap the front bumper back on and see how it looks with everything back on.
A few moments later.
Alright, so front bumper is back on. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic film to reveal the headlights. Like I said, I left it on just to get it nice and protected. So whenever I put the bumper back on, it's not going to scratch it accidentally. Here it is. Alright, and for the final part, let me show you guys whenever I unlock the car how it's going to look. So nice. Sequentials. And it kind of blinks and it goes to blue. Very nice, very mean. I love it. And like I said, I do have to figure out the app, but since I did pay a little bit extra to get this custom built with RGB mode, what that means is I can cycle through these colors. Instead of blue, it can go red, it can go purple, blue, yellow, like different colors on here. Sequential, so that's going to look very cool. So I'm pretty excited to see how that looks. So I'm so glad I finally got those headlights on. It's been a few months that I had them, but just never had the time to go and work on it. And like I said, these headlights I paid a little bit extra for the custom show mode to do sequential and change lights. I'm not too sure what the app is, so I do have to message my seller to find out what app it's going to be. So that we can show you guys in a separate video the show mode. And if you guys are wondering where I got these from, I got them from Work Hustle Kill on Instagram. And like I said, I already had these headlights for quite a few months. I just never threw them on. And I think, fingers crossed, I might be one of the first few in Texas to have them. So pretty excited. Like I said, most guys just get the normal mode, but I paid a couple $100 extra for the show mode, which I haven't shown you guys yet. So hopefully in an upcoming video we'll be able to show you guys the show mode. So yeah, if you guys stay to the end and you guys like the headlights, make sure to leave a thumbs up. I love them. I'm excited to see the output of the light at night as well. So if you guys stay to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And those V-line headlights that I took off are not for sale. Those will be making its way onto the Ralliart. The Ralliart OEM headlights will be for sale. So if anyone are looking for OEM Mitsubishi Lancer headlights, let me know. If you guys stay to the end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.